To focus effort on writing our JavaScript app, I've already pre-built the user interface for you. So in this screencast, let's quickly download and analyze what we've got. You've briefly seen the UI already, so let's do a recap before moving ahead. Begin by downloading the chatcat_begin.zip archive from the download section and extract its contents into a folder of your choice. We'll incorporate this UI into our application at a later stage. So for now, keep the files in a known location and open the folder. You can see 4 HTML files along with folders containing associated style sheets, images, and a local copy of jQuery, since we'll be using a bit of jQuery for simplifying some common DOM tasks. The login.html file represents the login page, and this is what will show up when the app's root URL is accessed. Let's see this page and other pages in this UI package. I'll open the login.html file. On this page, you'll see 2 buttons for Facebook and Twitter, and when the user clicks on either of these, the app should begin with the social authentication and login process. For now, I've hard-coded these images as anchor tags to the next page in our UI kit. So, clicking on any one of these links will take you to the rooms.html file like so. The first thing that I want you to notice in this page is the profile pic and the name of the user. This data will be fetched directly from the social authentication provider and will be rendered here. So, if the user logs in using Facebook, this will be fetched from Facebook. Before this page is returned to the user, our Express app will inject these elements into the page. We also have an input field here where users can type in the name of a topic and can then click on this button to create a chat room of their choice. Once a chat room is created, it is displayed in this list here. This is a simple unordered list where every list item is a hyperlink. So, as this list is rendered, the anchor tag is populated with the dynamic link to the route that will take the user to the associated chat room interface. At this point in time, these 2 sample links point to the chatroom.html file. So let's click on one of these links to move forward to that file. So this is the chatroom interface. We have a sample div structure which represents a chat message or a chat bubble, if you may. This contains a 28 by 28 pixel profile picture of the user along with the associated text. Up here, we have the same profile pic and username section as in the previous page, and on the right hand side, we have a div structure representing active users in a chat room. You'll also notice the words topic goes here in the black colored header in the UI. This piece of text will be replaced dynamically with the topic of a particular chat room. Down at the bottom, we have an input field where users can type in their message and press enter to dispatch the same to all users in the room, as well as displaying it in the message feed at the top. We also have a link called photo, which will invoke a user interface widget that will allow us to easily insert images into the chat. We will use a content delivery network service called Cloudinary to achieve this functionality, and though this won't involve any Node.js work, this is a simple and fun add-on to our simple chat application. Finally, clicking on the logout anchor tag takes us to the login.html page for now. In the completed application, this would perform a logout routine before redirecting the user to the login page. So that is our user interface. Let's move on to the next step.